Polly put the kettle on, Polly put the kettle on, Polly put the kettle on, we all have tea. What is a keke and lickle? In Jamaican language, there are some words with a click sound at the end that usually have an English equivalent that has a t sound. So, lickle in the Jamaican language is little in English language, and keke is kettle in English. So, here's a little exercise for you to build your Jamaican vocabulary. Here what you're gonna do. You add the syllable k to the end of the syllable that I say to make up some Jamaican words. Let's go. Li, lickle, right. Ra, rackle. Tie, tickle. Ah, you're getting it. Jeng, jenkle. Tur, turkle. Do you know any more words that has the t sound in the English language that we could practice translating to Jamaican? Let me know in the comments.